morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our phonics lesson today. We're going to do it slightly differently. Take a look.
Let's do our phonics flashcards. Off we go. D. K. H. A. O. B. O. S. F. K. P. I. S. A. K. R. T. F. O. G. Ah. Well done, everyone.
Now we're going to have a look at our tricky words, and I've made them out of Play-Doh. Can you help me to read them? Are we ready? What's this tricky word? Can you remember? I. Well done. I say I. You say I. Next tricky word. Two. I say two. You say two. Two. I went to the shop. Next one. The. I say the. You say the. The. The car is red. Go. I say go. You say go. Go. I can go on the swing. No. I say no. You say no. No. No, you can't do that. Now we're going to play a little game with our tricky words. It's called Splat. So I've got some post-it notes with my tricky words written on and some little blobs of Play-Doh. So you can play it with me. Maybe at the end, if you've got some Play-Doh at home, you could ask your grown-up if you can play it too. So I've got I, to, go, the, and no. I'm going to say a tricky word, and then the one that I say, I've got to splat with my hammer. If you don't have a hammer at home, perhaps you could splat it with your hand, or maybe you could use a potato masher from the kitchen instead. Are you ready? Go. Oh, can you find it? Point to it. Well done. See if you can splat it like that. There is. Go. And while you're splatting it, you can say, go, 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 go. Are you ready? Let's do our next one. The. Well done. Let's try two. There it is. Two, 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 two. Let's see. What about no? Is it this one up here? No, I need to look for an at the start. Oh, there it is. Let's get my hammer. And no, 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 no. Well done. Oh dear, got stuck to my hammer. Let's see. My last tricky word is I. Can you help me find I? There it is. Let's get it. I. Well done. Oh, and it's got stuck again. Never mind. There we go. See if you can have a go of my tricky word splat.
Now we're going to read some sentences using those tricky words. Have a look at this sentence. Can you see the tricky word in it? It's go at the start. Can you see? Point to it. It's got a capital G. Go. So it starts with go. So we don't need to sound that one out. Go. And. And. Go. And. Pat. Pat. Go and pat. Go and pat. Cat. Go and pat a cat. Great reading. Let's try our next one. Can you spot a tricky word in there? It looks a little bit different here. It looks just like a straight line. Sometimes we see it as a straight line with a line across the top and one across the bottom. The tricky word in this sentence is I. It's at the very start. Can you see it? Sometimes people draw it as just a straight line. I put, put. I put a hat. I put a hat on. I put a hat on a doll. Doll. I put a hat on a doll. I put a hat on a doll. Right, let's have another look at this sentence. Can you spot a tricky word? Well spotted. It's at the start again. It says no. So when we see it, we don't need to sound it out. We just say no. No. It. It. No. It is. Is. No. It is. Not. 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 No. It is not. Hot. No, it is not hot. It certainly isn't hot today, is it? Well done. You did excellent reading of all our tricky words. Well done. Well done for reading all those sentences. You did a really good job. See you tomorrow for some more phonics.